Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is MichelleDStyles, and I am going to be showing you a somewhat of a hack. So today I'm going to be doing individual lashes. These lashes are by Kiss. You can get them at a regular beauty supply store, and they're pretty much the individuals. As you can see, I have used some of them already. Lashes-ienvy Kiss lashes. For about 5 years, I've been trying to apply lashes, and I've always loved lashes. I've always liked how they look, how they really open up your eye and just give you that glamorous look, and countless hours on YouTube just trying to perfect that application. Did not work for me. Did not over here. So today we're going to be applying lashes, and these are individuals. I prefer individuals because for me, they're more of a natural look to me. So what I found was I did somewhat of a experimentation. I bought some magnetic lashes. So what I did was I said, since I'm always making a mess with the glue, let's try the magnetic liner and see what happens. So I did. And voila, that's what I'm going to show you today. It is so simple. You don't have to deal with mess. You don't have to deal with the glue drying because the magnetic liner is actually tackier than regular eyelash glue. So I'm going to show you how to apply it step by step and give you an up close and personal look at how I do it. So I'm going to start with the longer lash. You want to go the longer lashes here, and then as you go in, you're going to use the shorter lashes. So that's what I'm going to do. But you know what? No, I'm not. This is what I'm going to do. Because I want my lashes to look flirty and more full, what I'm going to do is do the longer lash on the outside, of course, and as I go in, I'll still do a longer lash, but probably not. Let me see if these are different sizes. Okay, there's only 2 sizes. So for these lashes, we have the shorter ones. The shorter ones at the top. And then the longer ones on the next 3 rows. So I'm going to be using the longer ones. The longer ones are the ones I'm going to be using. I'll probably use one of the short ones in my inner corner just so it won't irritate. Let's get this going and see what we come up with. I'm telling you, this is like so easy. All that glue drying and all of that glue getting all over your makeup when you did your eyeshadow all nice and pretty, and then you mess up your eyeshadow with the glue. That was me. So I'm taking one of the lashes out, the longer length lashes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my glue down on just a section of my eyelid. That's it. That's it. Now I'm going to take some glue and just put some glue along the lash. You don't even have to wait for this to dry. It's already going to be tacky. Period. Now I'm going to use these. I don't usually use these, but I'm going to try it and see what, if it's easier. We are going back to the fingers. So I'm going to just go ahead See, that's why I don't use these. That's why I use my fingers. You see how that just stuck on there? Just like that, just stuck on there, just so easy. Glue on the lash. Now let's do our third lash. Okay. Get the lash. Close. And real close. Real close, real close, real close. This as close as I can to the other lash. There you go. Put your liner. Okay. Get your next one. The next lash. And I just stick it on my lash, my finger. Just to keep it where I can see it. That's it. That's all you gotta do for that. On your lash line. your lash. For real, for real. What happened to my lash? Ah, it's sticking to the damn mirror, y'all. See? I think they're looking really cute. So let's keep going, let's keep going. Let's take the tweezers and try it. Oh my God. And there we go. I know this is ghetto, y'all, using a bobby pin. But this helps me detach the glue when the eyelashes stick. When the eyelashes stick, this little piece on the bobby pin actually helps unstick the lashes. So as you can see, I am done. And I think I could use one more right here. No, I'm not gonna poke myself in the eye. But I could use one more lash right there. And this is sticking right here too. It's always gonna be something, y'all. It's always gonna be, nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. Oh. This one is stuck a little bit. There you go. See? That worked. That worked. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So I need one more right there. This is the last lash that I'm putting on, and it usually is the hardest. And we're done. Ooh la la. So now that you're finished, all you have to do is go over your lash line to make it look smoother with like an eye pin. And they don't feel like you have anything on your eyes at all. So thank you for joining me. Please subscribe. Let me know if you want to see any other videos. I'll be happy to take a look into what other videos you guys would like to see. But this has been my lash tutorial for individual lashes, and I think they came out really nice. They look really natural, just the right length, and it can get a little hairy here and there trying to put them on, but just keep at it and you definitely will get it. But the magnetic eyeliner, this stuff right here saves my life, okay? Because it just sticks to lashes like that. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.